Welcome to my channel. How to become a millionaire in 5 years. Easy steps to follow. Personal development and mindset. Set clear financial goals for your 5-year plan. Cultivate a growth mindset and stay motivated through challenges. Continuously educate yourself in your chosen field. Improve your communication and negotiation skills. Build resilience to handle setbacks. Network with professionals in your industry. Study successful people and learn from their journeys. Develop a daily routine that maximizes productivity. Manage stress through mindfulness and self care. Enhance your problem solving abilities. Business and entrepreneurship. Identify a unique business idea or niche. Conduct thorough market research to understand demand. Create a detailed business plan with realistic projects. Secure financing through savings, investors, or loans. Develop a strong brand identity and value proportion. Launch your business with a solid marketing strategy. Scale your business through strategic partnerships. Continuously innovate and adapt to market changes. Focus on customer satisfaction and feedback. Maintain a lean and efficient operation to maximize profits. Investment and financial strategy. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Invest in assets that align with your risk tolerance. Diversify your investment portfolio to manage risk. Learn about stock markets, real estates, and other assets. Consider starting a retirement account for long-term wealth. Monitor your investments and adjust your strategy as needed. Explore passive income streams like dividends or rental income. Minimize unnecessary expenses and manage debt. Use tax efficiency strategies to optimize your earnings. Hire financial advisors to help with complex decisions. Career advancement and income growth. Identify high demand skills in your industry and acquire them. Pursue promotions or job changes that offer better compensation. Negotiate your salary and benefits to reflect your value. Explore freelance or consulting work for additional income. Continuously update your resume and LinkedIn profile. Take on leadership roles to showcase your expertise. Seek professional certifications to enhance your credentials. Attend industry conferences and networking events. Learn to leverage your strengths and delegate tasks. Keep up with industry trends to stay ahead. Entrepreneurial ventures and startups. Explore multiple revenue streams within your business. Innovate and develop new products or services. Collaborate with partners to expand your reach. Focus on marketing and building a strong online presence. Optimize your business processes for efficiency. Secure intellectual property rights for your innovations. Seek funding from angel investors or venture capitalists. Test and improve on your products based on feedback. Be prepared to pivot your business model if necessary. Build a loyal customer base and brand advocates. Long-term wealth building. Continue to save and invest a significant portion of your income. Consider philanthropic efforts to give back to the community. Evaluate and adjust your financial plan as circumstances change. Seek mentorship from seasoned entrepreneurs and investors. Explore opportunities for international expansion. Focus on building generational wealth for your family's future. Stay informed about changing tax regulations. Look for ways to automate financial processes. Cultivate a strong work life balance to avoid burnout. Celebrate your achievements while maintaining humility. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.